Welcome to the third dashboard. Now guys, we have data of example limited. It is the trial balance. It covers 12 months period of 2017. The first column is the account column. Second column is the account description. We have data this way. And if you go down, there is another table, which is the mapping table, code 1S slash 1S dash 1XX. XX mean the other two numbers are the revenues. Let's suppose operational expenses are IS-3XX. So let me see where are the operational expenses. All these are operational expenses. If you can see from this table, these all are operational expenses. And we need, based on this data, we need a dashboard. Let me first close down this report. Okay, and now I need a dashboard of, this dashboard we need. First, we need current month and year-to-date profit and loss account. It has a main account, and under the main account there is a sub account. Now January, February, March, and these are the slicers. These are the two visual cards. There's one visual of donut chart, one visual of cash flow chart. Basically, it's not cash flow, it's a waterfall chart. Year-to-date profit and loss account for the selected period. This dashboard we need, and there we need only one measure, but one a table extra, which is the date table. So how can we bring date table? We will learn in this session. So let's start with this plain simple file. Sorry. Yeah, this one we had, I have already created a blank worksheet. I'll select my Excel database, income statement. You select your desired Excel sheet. It will create a connection with the help of Power Query, and we will jump back into the Power Query editor instead of Power BI. There are two tables, so I'll select both the tables and hit transform button because we need some of the transformation steps. It will, yeah, it has shown now. Power Query editor, now we will see there are, we can see there are two tables. First one is the P&L table. So let me put model. Let me just put model. Okay, that's fine. That's a proper name we want. Now, if I select both the columns and right click, unpivot other columns, now what will happen? See, all of the months now are in one single column, and exactly this we need. So I'll mention it as a period. And one more thing, if you see here under the home tab, data type, select it. Now it has converted this column into a date format. One more thing we need merge to pull main description, main account from mapping tables. So first one is already mentioned here, the model. The other table is the mapping table. So I will select both these unique columns. It has no there. Okay. Before this, we need one more thing. Under the mapping table, if you see IS-1X, what if I remove X from this table and last two values from model table? So I'll select, and I will select split column, number of characters. We need only 4 number of characters, and from left I will count. So I select it, same, and I don't want second column. I want this to be named as code. Hit enter. Now right click, and I don't, sorry, not don't right click. I will filter BS because mapping is only done for the income statement. So I don't want extra rows to be the part of our model. Begins with, here you can mention only with start from IS dash or IS only. Done. Now we are ready to fetch this table into our data model other than this mapping table. So select it and disable in our data model. Hit close and apply. Now we are waiting for the query changes. We will see our data into our Power BI. Once it is done, we will select the data tab. Yeah, now select the data tab. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns are there. Now there are 4 columns. First column is the code. Code you don't want. Why not to go back into the Power Query and remove it from there? I mean, unhide. But we can do same thing in our data model. So select code and right click, hide from the report view. Now, if I select this report visual, you won't be able to see this code column anymore. Yeah. But where is description value period? Where is our data, proper data? I think we haven't done the transformation steps properly. Yes, go back to Power Query. Our model mapping. We haven't called our data from mapping table, so I'll need merge query option. Merge from mapping table, and now we can map these codes. So you can see 3 to 4 out of 3 to 4 rows has been matched, and it will pull min account column. Now I'll select from mapping table and uncheck all. Will select only main account which is needed. I'll select OK. And this is the main account. Here we can change sub account, and this is the main account. Now it is done. I think go back, hit close and apply again. Now we will see main account and sub account. Done. Yes. Now it is the data is ready. Now we will see our modeling part. We can go here and it is already unhighlighted. Okay, we have main account, period, sub account, and value. We need to create a mayor. So let me click the new mayor under the calculation tab, options, new mayor amount is equal to formula sum aggregation. We'll call values here, bracket close. Before values here, we will see minus sign. If you want with 1000 I mean value, you can divide it here by 1000. So let me just put, hit enter. Okay, do one more thing. Select main account. One more thing I forgot because we need in some of the order. So let me pull sequence as well. Go back to Power Query, transformation data. This is the option available for us. We can even go later back to the Power Query and do the necessary or undo the unnecessary steps or the other additional steps you want. I can select this expand mapping from the setting. If you are seeing here the option, okay, I pulled only one main column, so this time I need sequence as well. Select OK and hit close and apply. Now you will be able to see sequence as well. Now query is being applied to this data. Yeah, sequence is there. Select main column, and sequence was attached to the main column. So select main column, sort by sequence. Now you can do one more thing, select sequence and hide in the report. Now select here. Main account, I think we can also do one more thing. Where is the main account? Not main account. I need actually the amount. So better to go with the amount and hide in the report. Will it work? I didn't, I think check. Let's check first. We need main account, then sub account, and then where's our, I think it won't work. So unhide, actually I wanted to hide values. So hide value from the review and we will pull now amount column. Yeah, we can do. So that's perfect. We can do. Now it has pulled all the values. Select matrix instead of this table. So this is the matrix option. We can select matrix and drag sub account under the main account. We have almost created our first visual.